Hi everyone and welcome to my channel. If it's your first time here, make sure to hit the subscribe button because I do the videos on the BMWs and it's pretty useful channel. So today we're gonna talk about the your buttons on your steering wheel. What are these and how you use them? And let's start from here and so I can get into it. So this one here, this is obviously your volume, plus and minus. If you go this way, you can increase the volume on your car, and if you go this way, you can decrease the volume. This one over here, that's your telephone Bluetooth. So if you press, if you press it here, you're gonna have the telephone activate, and what's gonna happen, you're gonna have the last name of the person right here being activated. So let me just show you here. See if I go on the volume. See, now I'm gonna turn it off. So this one, see now, to bring the volume up. Okay, now let's try this one. My Bluetooth is off, but when if I hit this one, it will activate here the last person that I called, and it will start calling them. If you hit it once again, it will just switch off the telephone. So that's for that. I'm gonna just turn off the radio so I don't get the copyrights. This one over here, it's the voice entry. Basically, you say radio, or a telephone.
System off.
System off. But if I put the Bluetooth on and I say radio, it will turn the radio on. So that's pretty self-explanatory here. Now I'm gonna just take you over here to the stereo system, and if you look over here, okay, let's turn it on. So let's go over here. Okay, so this, I'm back to this one here. Now this one can help you scroll to the stereo menu. I'm gonna just try to do it here. See, now you got the CD. Now if you press once again, you got the aux. And let's press once again, you got the radio here. You're back on radio. So this button here will help you scroll to your stereo menu, which is the aux, the radio station, and as well as the CD player right there. Now the one on the bottom over here, which I really like, is this one here. See, I just pressed it, and it will turn on the Circulate. Basically, if you're driving through the smelly area, and if you turn this one on, let's try again. See, it's off, and let's try once again. Okay, so press it. See, it's on. It will circulate the air that's in the cabin, and you won't get the dirty air coming from the vents into your vehicle. So I find that really nice and handy, and that takes us to the this button here, which is the switching the radio stations. So let me try to do this on camera. See, if I go down, it's switching the radio stations. So I'm going on a lower number. If I go up, I'm changing the station towards the higher number. So basically this goes up, this goes down, and that's that. Hopefully I hope you found it useful. Like, subscribe, and take care. Bye bye.